We are given condition of x plus 2 of negative x equals 3x. We need to find the expression for of x. The key idea to solve this problem is to view of x and of negative x as two variables and to create a new equation. Let's go. The first equation we need is of x plus 2 of negative x equals 3x. We denote it as equation 1. To create a new equation, we replace x by negative x. So we get of negative x plus 2 of negative x, which is positive x. The right side, 3 times negative x equals negative 3x. Equation 2. To find the expression for of x, we need to eliminate of negative x. To do that, both sides of equation 2 multiply by 2. So 2 times equation 2, we get 2 of negative x plus 4 of x equals negative 6x. We denote it as 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 1. So 2 of negative x minus 2 of negative x, 0. 4 of x minus of x equals 3 of x. The right side, negative 6x minus 3x, negative 9x. Both sides divided by 3. Finally, we get the expression for of x, which is negative 3x. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.